you guys? Geeky here, back with another video, and now we finally got parts for the yellow KFX 400. I got the Amazon package actually yesterday, but it was Sunday and I didn't really feel like doing a whole lot. So let's go ahead and see what we got in here. Hopefully we got the right stuff to make this video happen and start up this quad. So there's one box. Yeah, I got some grips for it because it basically doesn't even have any. And then this is what we've been waiting for. And it has like 3 different bags. Okay, so this is it. I guess it has like a spare fuse right here. That looks like it's it. That looks like it's it, you guys. So let's go ahead and put it on the quad and let's check it out. Hopefully the connector's right and we'll connect these two and we should be good to go. So I want to check first of all if the connector is gonna work. Bam, looks like it goes in. Take this back off. Okay, so the left side I believe was the positive. And the right side was, I believe, the negative, as in this side being the negative. I think that's good. Yeah, that's good. Okay, the quad has been sitting for a month, so I'm pretty dang sure it's not going to have any battery at all. Ooh. Another thing I did was I checked the timing on it, and I opened this up so you could see through it and make sure that it was at top dead center. I don't know if that really matters, but it hasn't been started, so if the motor is really messed up, I didn't want to mess it up more. Alright, this is it, moment of truth. Nothing. Still nothing. Huh. Maybe it's this. Nothing, you guys. Nothing at all. That's a bummer. Maybe hitting the starter. Nope, nothing. Literally nothing, you guys. Oh, man. Okay, now I'm leaning towards more of the CDI issue. Maybe it got burnt. I don't know. Maybe from me trying to start it, or maybe it already was burnt. Okay, so the last thing I'm going to try is, since the eBay one didn't do anything, I'm going to try the other one off of the other quad. See if that works. See, nothing. Let's turn it on. Okay, you guys, so quick update. I tore it down because I knew if it's not that, it had to be something with the actual starter button. And then I started tearing it all down. Well, before I tore it down, look, I found this that wasn't even connected, and it comes from this, which goes from here, the wires that I was gonna check before the camera died, all up to here. Would you look at that? Okay, and then I found this, which wasn't even clipped on. There's 2 wires hanging here. So I followed where this goes, and it goes to the coil on the spark plug boot. So I'm gonna rig this up to here, and we should get it to work. Hey guys, so this is where I'm at with the yellow Kawasaki 400. I tested I believe it's called a recidifier. That's good. Solenoid's new. Battery's good. The starter, I took it off and inspected it. It looked fine. And then I put a positive to the top of the top terminal it has on there with the little clutch. What is it called? Clutch starter kit on or off. I took that off. Oh, dude, you guys, we're about to get a. Oh no! Oh, about to get some dust. No, gracias. Like I was saying, I tested all that stuff, and the only thing I didn't test is like the clutch starter plate right here with the starter with it on, so the starter could actually turn over the engine, but I don't want to mess nothing up. But it does turn on when I give it power from the battery up here straight to the top terminal, and then it's already grounded from that the what is it called, the bolt that it has on the back. So that's good. I'm like pretty sure it's good. So I've narrowed it down to the start switch right here that's not doing nothing when I hit this, and if not, it might be like the ECM or something, but I highly doubt it. I tested this by putting power from the ground to the power right here on the solenoid, and it read good, but it doesn't read on anything on this side. And I actually used the other quad to try and figure out some things, and on that one it does. So if you turn on the switch here, all the lights turn on, and then when you hit the button, it's supposed to give this ground side power, but it does not. So that leads me to believe that it probably is going to end up being this. And I just opened it up. I don't know if you could see. No, it's going to be very blurry. Okay, but inside, it's like all messed up in there. It's all corroded. I tried taking the one off of the other one to put it on this one because they're kind of the same thing, but the connector is on there super tight. So now I'm gonna clean this up here with the little wire brush, and hopefully we can get it to turn on or at least do something. Okay guys, so I put this back together. After checking this, I didn't think to check this. So every time I turn on the key, it goes to neutral. The green light means neutral, right? So I fixed the clutch because the clutch didn't even work. I didn't even think to mess with the clutch. So I hold in the clutch. Oh, and then look, now it goes into gear. And now it's in neutral. So check this out. Oh, now it's not doing nothing but. So now it looks like with this quad, me holding the clutch does something, and the clutch was loose before, so it didn't do anything at all. It used to just click from here, and that was it. But now I get that. But it's not doing nothing. See, when you hit the button though, it doesn't do nothing. That's really weird. But you hold the clutch in, and it sounds like it wants to start. So now I'm just getting clicking. But see, now the clutch, it actually engages. See the green light? We're in first. It didn't do that before. I messed with the clutch like right after I started messing with it like this, when I was messing with this, and I realized that this didn't even do nothing. It wasn't even hooked up. I literally just fixed it right now, and I messed with this, I cleaned this, and now it does that. So we're gonna see right now what happens, and I'll keep you guys informed on what else. Okay, so tried something again. I took this off, and check this out. So it sounded like earlier the clutch or the starter wasn't actually working, that just was buzzing. But check this out. The starter is going. But now, when I go to put this on, it doesn't do anything. So I'm kind of confused, you guys. What else to do here? I don't think the engine is seized. How would I know if it's seized? I want to look that up, you guys. Then I'll probably be back and see what else I come up with. I'll be back.